or I can say good morning, my colleagues. As Prashant introduced, he started with name. I'll continue with the name and what is there in the name. One of my friend, his name was Anand. He went to a restaurant in Bangalore and ordered for Kesari Bath. You know Kesari Bath, right? Kesari means it's a saffron thread, very tasty, good for health. And when server served that, he did not find any kesar in that. He called the manager. What is this? There is no kesar. You call it as kesar. The manager said, "Sir, you're Anand. You're never happy." So, but it's not true with Prashant. Prashant is a cool dude. Prashant means cool. So, thank you, Prashant, for inviting me, for introducing me. And this show is for first time I'm trying this of this sort in front of my colleagues. Please appreciate and encourage. So if it is a digital media, I would have said subscribe, share, bell, all these, but here it's only clap and encourage. Many jokes here you may know. It's like, going to Bengali sweets and asking for rasgulla. You know rasgulla is always tasty. You know that Bengali sweets make a tasty rasgulla. Still you consume or eat it. So it's like jokes should be enjoyed every time you listen to it. So as he said about name, one of my neighbor, actually a couple, they keep traveling every now and then. So first time they traveled together to UK and other countries, and they came back and they were blessed with twins. Then he named them London and Paris. Then after a few years again he traveled, then got again blessed with twins. He named them Mai and Thai. Then again he traveled after a few years, then again coming back, he was blessed with twins. He named them Leh and Ladakh. Last year again he was blessed with twins. I appreciate because he did not do any travel. He named them COVID and Corona. So, I think none of us might have asked our parents, why did you name me like this? But I had 3 chances to ask my mom, Amma, why did you name me Govardhan? 3 times I asked. First time, when I was in school, primary school, I was born in a small village near Udupi, where I was put in a Kannada medium school, and there I used to come walk. There was no vehicles at that time. I used to come by walk. On the way, my classmate was there, a pretty girl by name Gulabi Shetty. Gulabi is a common name there. So I used to come with her. So I say maybe that's my first crush. So then in the class we were together. While coming also, I used to drop. One day she said, okay, come inside, talk to my mom. So I went and I spoke to her. Oh, Bari porle da bale. She did like this. Yeah, I'm very happy, pampered. Pudarenchina. I said, my name is Govardhan. Nan hesaru Govardhan. Bari yeddi irna pudaro mastund. Govardhana. What? My name is Govardhan. Ave pandayan Govardhana. That was last breakup. I did not meet Gulabi later. I came to my mom and said, Mom, why did you name me Govardhan? People call me Govardhana. I am not happy. She said, no, Govardhan is Lord Krishna's name. I'll tell you a story. On that day, it was pouring rain, and to save his people in the village, he lifted Govardhanagiri in his little finger. And on the day you born also, it was raining. Oh, I was happy. Oh, it was raining, so I was called Govardhan. Ah, good. So there, Gulabi out of my life. So after a few years for my high school, I came to Chitradurga. So from Kannada medium to English medium, new school, all are from the same school. I'm new person. So every teacher wanted to test me before they give me some rank. So chemistry teacher came and asked, Yes, Govardhan. You tell me, what is a chemical name to water? I am new to English. Then I looked at my friend. H2O. Yeah, I know, ma'am. HIJKLMNO. You get out of my class. She sent me out of my class. Then after 1 hour again I came in. A pretty lady, English ma'am came. Yeah, Govardhan, you're new to this class. Can you tell a sentence starting from I? I said, I is. No. I will not follow with is. You should say, I am. Okay, I am 9th letter of English alphabet. Oh my God, you're not worth our school. The next period, biology madam came. She asked question, Govardhan, you tell me, any 5 animals live in water? I said, I know. Yeah. Frog? Yes, good. Right answer, clap. Yes, next. Mother frog, father frog, sister frog, brother frog. 5 frogs. No, you're not good worth here in school. Get out, get lost. After 1 hour again I came. Then social studies ma'am came. Yes, I heard about you since morning. Govardhan, you tell me, who is father of the nation? I looked at the nation. Kumaraswamy. Yeah, I said, father of the nation is Kumaraswamy. You know, I asked you, father of the nation is Mahatma Gandhi. Get lost of my class. I'll complain to principal. So I went to principal. Ma'am was sitting. What is this, Govardhan? First day you have so many complaints. Ma'am, I'm sorry. I submit all homework. You do homework? Yes, I submit, madam. Did you do? No, ma'am. Did your father help you? No, ma'am. Then what? Ma'am, he only did all complete. Is it? Call Mr. Vishwanath. They called my father. Vishwanath, something wrong with your son. Please come and take. I'll give TCU. Dismiss. My father came. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry. He'll not repeat. I'll take care of him. No. You cannot continue. You have to take him. I'll give you TC. You admit him in his school, not in this school. No, ma'am. I'll train him. Okay, will you train? Okay, I'll ask you one question, Mr. Vishwanath. If you answer, I'll pardon all his mistakes and I'll admit him. Yes, ma'am. You ask any question. Okay, you are in India. You are in Bangalore. Which of these are farthest? Is it America or moon? My father thought, yeah, ma'am, farthest is America. Why? What, America? Yes, ma'am, America, I cannot show you from Bangalore. Moon, I can show you from Bangalore. No, I cannot continue. Please get lost. Take him away. You cannot continue. Then I started reading myself. I went to other school. I finished PU. I did some studies on my own and some discoveries I made. These are my discoveries. If you read book on anti-gravity, you cannot just put it down. Broken pencils are pointless. The dinosaurs with extensive vocabulary are called a thesaurus. Don't worry about age. It doesn't last. What do you call drunken Pandavas? Hi-fi? What do you call those who don't believe in going to gym? Gymnastics? If your system is crash, before you call Navneet, you get a mail there or message there. Press any key. I searched since a year. There is no key like any key on your keyboard. Then I joined engineering college. A big college, All teachers are rank holders, very good at technology, not to mention very less known in English or poor in English. So the first day I came running, I was late. I said, excuse me, sir. Hey, why are you outstanding? Income. I came in and sir gave me key and said, I left my notes in car. My car is understanding the tree. Please go and get it. So I went there. The car was understanding there. I brought in. So listening to this, few girls were laughing. Sir said, both of you three come here. They came. Follow me. Stand here. Don't follow me. So this is the way he wants to get them out of the classroom. Then I joined as a lecturer in engineering college. So there are many students from many states. Some Bihari, Odisha and Bengal students were there. I'm their favorite teacher. All their doubts, they used to come to me. So they started calling me in their own language. Earlier they used to call Sarji, then started Gobardhan sir. Gobardhan sir. I could not hear anymore. Gobar is something different in their language. Again I went to my mom and asked, Amma, why did you keep my name as Govardhan? Then she started again telling Krishna story. No, I don't want any story. Now I'm grown up. I want to change my name or I cannot live with it. So then I told those Bihari students not to call Sir Govardhan sir, call me Sarji. That is second time I asked my mom. Then I entered into corporate. You know corporate? Karthikeyan becomes Karthi, Ram Krishnan becomes Ramki. So I thought Govardhan becomes Govi. I thought, but for my luck or bad luck, they started calling me Govardhan Kamvardhan. Govardhan Kamvardhan. Again I was fed up. I went back to my mom and asked, Amma, why did you keep my name like this? She said, okay, you're asking for third time, I'll tell you the truth. In this world, any baby or all baby born like this, but you were born like this. So you are named as Govardhan. Thank you.